everyone, welcome back to my channel Pravaha the Flow of Knowledge. So in today's video we are going to study about economic botany. In economic botany we are going to study about plants and their different parts which are beneficial in different ways. Like there are so many plants present on our earth and they have different properties and which we use in different industries for human being for their beneficial purpose. So like there are crop yielding plants, there are fiber yielding plants, there are rubber yielding plants. We obtained food from plants, flowers from plants, oil and resins from plants. So there are a variety of use of plants. So first question was which was raised mostly is that who is the father of medicine? So Hippocrates is known as father of medicine. And there is a term pharmacognosy. So what do you mean by the term pharmacognosy? So you can define it like the history, identification and the preservation and collection of drugs is known as pharmacognosy. And then another term which is known as pharmacology. So how could you define it? That what is pharmacology? So you can define it like that the action of drugs is known as pharmacology. So I'm writing it over here. History, identification, collection and preservation of drugs. That is known as pharmacognosy, and pharmacology is action of drugs. So the next thing is that which parts of a plant we can use for obtaining drugs. So the drugs obtained from root of the plant, stem, leaves, their bark, fruits, seeds and buds. So mostly all of the parts of the plants are used in obtaining drugs from them. So here are few plants name, their botanical name, their family and the action and uses of that plant which are used as drugs. So drugs obtained from roots. Okay, so these are all the drugs name which are obtained from root of the plants. So the first name is reserpine. Reserpine, it is a derivative of tryptophan amino acid and its botanical name is Rolfia serpentina. Okay, so botanical name is Rolfia serpentina and which is known as Sarpgandha in Hindi mostly, and it belongs to the family Apocynaceae. Most of the flowering family belongs to Apocynaceae family, and its actions are and uses are it is used mostly as sedative drugs are mostly enhance or respond. Our central nervous system is responsive to sedative drugs and mental disorder and use in lowering BP, blood pressure. So this is the uses of reserpine drug. And the next drug is licorica. So licorica drug, which in Hindi we can call it mulethi. So licorica and its botanical name is Glycyrrhiza glabra and it belongs to Fabaceae family, and action and uses of licorica is cold and cough. So when we get cold and cough, licorice or mulethi is beneficial in treating the cough and cold. And the third drug which is ashwagandha, which is obtained from roots of the plant. Ashwagandha, its botanical name is Withania somnifera and it belongs to Solanaceae family. In Solanaceae family we will study about different plants also like potato, tomato, etc. also belong to Solanaceae family. And action and uses of ashwagandha, it is used in menstrual problem and leukorrhea. The white discharge mostly happens in female body, so it was treated with ashwagandha. And the fourth drug is atropine. The scientific name or botanical name of atropine is Atropa belladonna. It is also belongs to the Solanaceae family, and the action and uses of atropine drug is pupil dilator. When atropine drug is given to anybody, then the pupil of that person get dilated. And the Another drug is ferula. Ferula in Hindi, which is known as hing, and hing is mostly used as a spice in our country in India. We use hing in our spice. So botanical name of ferula is Ferula asafoetida. Family of ferula is umbellifera. In umbellifera, mustard plants and etc. Mustard plants etc. are also studied in umbellifera family. And the action and uses of ferula is indigestion and cough. When the food is not getting digested properly and we get cough and cold, then ferula or hing is also used as a medicine in our country. So, and another drug is aconite. Aconite, scientific name or botanical name of aconite is Aconitum napillus, and it belongs to Ranunculaceae family. And the action and uses of this drug is in asthma and rheumatism. So asthma, when a person is not able to breathe properly, then it is also treated with the aconite drug. And rheumatism is a type of disorder in which muscle dystrophy also take place, and nerves cannot be able to function properly. Lupus disease is also related to this. So these are all name of the drugs which are obtained from roots, their botanical name, family, and their action and uses. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like my video, and if you found my videos helpful in any way, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.